Good afternoon. My name is Alexander Salavatov and I am the media manager at Electroatom. In this video, I will give a detailed overview of the current development of the Electroatom project, discuss completed phases and outline the tasks that lie ahead. For any technological project, it is vital to understand not only the idea, but also the actual state of affairs. That's why today, no abstractions, just structure and stages. Any technological development begins with a concept. At the core of the project is the idea of autonomous electricity generation using the triboelectric effect. Theoretical approaches were developed, research was conducted, and engineering solutions were designed. This stage can be called fundamental. It involved establishing the scientific foundation and technical understanding of the process. The next stage is the transition from theory to engineering implementation. The architecture of an autonomous powder power plant was created, including a tribogenerator, a compressor system, a filtration system, a powder regenerator, control thermal cabinets, and a container-based deployment format. At this stage, the tasks addressed included operability, layout, interaction of components, and establishing a closed-loop system. This was the engineering stage for verifying the very possibility of implementing the technology in a practical format. In parallel with technological development, the structure of the Tribal Technology project was formed, including a scientific and production framework, Electroatom as the investment mechanism, and Electroatom as the international promotion platform. This made it possible to separate the functions of development, financing, and international positioning. Today, the project is at the stage of transitioning from prototyping to scaling up. This means refining engineering solutions, standardizing the design, preparing for mass production, establishing production infrastructure, and attracting investments to expand the technological base. It is important to understand the transition from prototype to industrial production is the most challenging stage of any technological project. Right now, our primary focus is centered on developing a truly sustainable production model. Scaling up requires capital, which is why the Electroatom investment model is being developed in parallel. This model ensures the attraction of private and international investors, legal registration of shares, transfer of funds into the technological framework, and expansion of the investment base through a partnership program. What tasks lie ahead? The next stages of development include completing the technological standardization of equipment, preparing for industrial assembly, testing in extended operating modes, entering international markets, and forming a long-term production strategy. Each of these stages requires consistency and resources. Technological projects do not develop instantly. There are always several stages between an idea and mass production: research, prototyping, refinement, standardization, and scaling up. We are currently in the phase of transitioning to scaling up. This is a working, systematic stage of development. Thank you for your attention. In the next videos, we will take a closer look at the technological architecture and international development strategy.